There are 12 recognized Wobbegong species. These fish spend most of their time in shallow water no deeper than 1,000 feet. They live along warm marine coasts of the West Pacific and Indian Oceans. Wobbegongs are most commonly found in coral reefs, seagrass beds, and sandy shoals. During the day, they rest in secluded areas under overhangs so they can hide from predators. If a spot is found especially tactical, they may return to use it at a later date. Wobbegongs may go hours without moving, which means the sharks have to keep moving in order to survive myth is totally busted. There are sharks, such as wobbegongs, that can remain motionless because they are able to pump water over their gills in order to breathe. This is called buccal pumping. Other sharks have to move in order to pass water over their gills. This is called ram ventilation. Many sharks can breathe using both methods. At night, wobbegongs emerge to hunt. They may hunt by one of two methods: sitting and waiting for their prey to come to them, or actively stalking prey and ambushing it. Wobbegongs eat other sharks, smaller fish, lobsters, crabs, and octopuses. They have huge mouths in which they'll suck prey whole. They clamp down with sharp teeth and often do not let go of their meal. Still, all that power is no match to predators, which include other larger fish and marine mammals, including people, who wobbegongs don't attack without provocation. Wobbegongs, like all carpet sharks, come with intricate patterns. These patterns are where the name carpet shark comes from. Whale sharks are another carpet shark we've discussed previously. These patterns, along with their shaggy beard, afford wobbegongs optimal camouflage against the environment they inhabit. Except when they're splashing around outside of the water. These sharks have been sighted crawling using their pectorals or front fins to travel between tide pools in search of prey. They must be pretty strong because, depending on the species, that can mean quite a bit of shark they're dragging out of the water. Wobbegongs also look like they have holes in their heads right behind their eyes. These are modified gill slits, called spiracles, that help these sharks to breathe. They also have two dorsal, or back, fins. There isn't much information on Wobbegong breeding habits, but through observations made in captivity, it is guessed they don't stick with the same partner, and the males may fight for female attention. Females may produce pheromones to indicate their readiness to mate. After mating, the females produce eggs that hatch inside their bodies. The babies, of which there can be 20 or more, then develop inside the mother. Sometimes they eat each other for nutrition. Those who survive are born live. The pups disperse immediately, likely to avoid becoming their mother's dinner. Wobbegongs often lead solitary lives. However, there is evidence of wobbegongs staying in small groups for short periods of time. There is currently limited information on how long wobbegongs can live, though it is guessed they are likely long-lived like other sharks. For more facts on wobbegongs, check out the links below. Give a thumbs up if you learned something new today. Thank you to our patrons, SpikeSpiegel93, Dad, and everyone else for their support of this channel. And thank you for watching Animal Fact Files.